Welcome to Anrisse vlog. Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's explore the origin, benefits, and traditional uses of this incredible herbs and spices from around the world. Did you know that there are even more herbs and spices that don't just add flavor, but also strengthen health? In part 1, we explored 21 powerful herbs and spices that strengthen immunity naturally. But nature has more gifts to share. In this second part, we will discover additional herbs and spices from across the world, each bringing unique flavor, history, and healing. I hope you'll watch till the end of this video. And please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health journeys. Now, let's explore 12 more powerful herbs and spices you might need to know. So, let's get started. 1. Chamomile. Chamomile is primarily known for tea. It's used to calm nerves. It is also used in some skincare products. Chamomile is known for its anxiety-reducing qualities, promote sleep, may help with digestion, and reduce inflammation. Treasured for centuries as a gentle herbal tea, chamomile is native in Europe and temperate Asia. 2. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are tiny, but mighty. Often used in Italian and Mediterranean cuisine. Excellent in sausages, bread, and to flavor curries or pickles. Fennel seeds is known to aid digestion, and also a great source of fiber. Relieves bloating, and balance hormones. Traditionally, it is chewed after meals for freshness. Origin: Mediterranean to India. 3. Sweet basil. Sweet basil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin K. It supports digestion and reduces oxidative stress, while adding flavor to countless dishes. Perfect in pesto, salads, and pizza. Sweet basil is known as the king of herbs. Origin: Eurasia and India. 4. Cumin seed. Cumin seed is the backbone of so many flavorful dishes. It is used in many cuisines around the world, particularly in Mexican, Indian, and Middle Eastern dishes, like chilies and stews. A staple in spice blends, cumin improves digestion, boosts energy, and is rich in iron. Origin: Middle East and Mediterranean. 5. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a spice with a unique slightly bitter flavor, often used in Indian cuisine, and is found in some spice blends. Fenugreek may help to regulate blood sugar, and may also boost milk production in breastfeeding mothers. Origin: Southern Europe and Western Asia. 6. Saffron. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. It's worth for its incredible flavor and color. Saffron is used to flavor and color dishes, especially in Spanish paella and Italian risotto. The world's golden spice, prized for antioxidants, mood-boosting effects, and support for vision health. Origin: Iran, Kashmir, and Mediterranean. 7. Dill. Dill is another herb with a fresh, bright flavor. Perfect with fish, in pickles, in sauces, and salads. Freshens breath, aids digestion, and reduces inflammation. It brings bright flavor to dishes and pickles. Origin: Mediterranean and Europe. 8. Tarragon. Tarragon is famous in French cuisine with its unique licorice-like flavor. Essential for béarnaise sauce, great with chicken, fish, and in salads. Tarragon aids digestion, may help regulate blood sugar, and even works as a traditional sleep aid. Origin: Eurasia and Europe. 9. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are staple in many Indian dishes. It is used in Indian curries, South Indian dishes, and to flavor chutneys and soups. Curry leaves is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They aid digestion, lower cholesterol, and promote healthy hair growth. Origin: India. 10. Paprika. Paprika is a vibrant red spice, rich in vitamins and carotenoids. It supports eye health and boosts immunity. Paprika adds colors and flavor to so many dishes. It is used in Hungarian cuisines, spices blends, and for garnish. Origin: Central America, Spain, and Hungary. 11. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is known for its refreshing citrusy scent. Relieves stress, promotes restful sleep, eases digestion, and may help reduce headaches. Lemon balm is often used in teas, and to flavor drinks, salads, and sauces. May help with anxiety, and improve cognitive function. Origin: Southern Europe. 12. Wasabi. Wasabi is a fiery green root, with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds. It clears sinuses, and supports respiratory health. Wasabi is used in Japanese cuisines, like sushi, sashimi, and soba noodles. Origin: Japan. So, that's all for my today's vlog of herbs and spices. Remember, adding these ingredients can not only transform the taste of your food but can also add to your well-being. From calming chamomile to fiery wasabi, or from golden saffron to refreshing lemon balm, these herbs and spices reminds us that nature offers endless ingredients for wellness. Including the 21 herbs and spices from my vlog in part 1, they reveal a medicine cabinet hidden in our kitchens and gardens. I hope you learned something new and feel inspired to experiment in the kitchen. Which of these will you try first? And what is your favorite herbs and spices are? Share in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health journeys. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, and God bless.